apples fall between September and October. So the old timers in the Appalachian Mountains, down around the Smokies and whatnot, they used to make a drink called Applejack. And they might still do, I don't know. But this is where apple cider comes from. They would ferment the juice with the apple skins because there was yeast on the skins, and it made a low alcohol content drink. The fermentation would take about a month, and by Thanksgiving we'd have apple cider. And we throw spices into it to mull it, and that's where we get mulled apple cider from. This is the juice that I used for my apple cider. I cheated. I did not make it with real apples. This juice doesn't have any added sugar in it. It doesn't have any sweeteners. There's no high fructose corn syrup in it, and that means that if I boil it, it's not going to make me sick. I have inflammatory bowel disease, and high fructose corn syrup and also artificial sweeteners will make me sick. I have a sensitivity to fructose. That means I can't drink apple or grape juice that hasn't been boiled. I can't eat raw apples or raw grapes. They have to be cooked. So, anyway, I'm glad that these juice manufacturers have finally caught on to that. They're not adding sugar to their apple juice anymore. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know I'm not doing it from scratch because I don't have an apple press. I'm going to put my little spice container into the apple juice. The cinnamon sticks go in. And the orange slices. And I'm going to put it on the burner and let it boil for a while. Okay, the apple cider's done. And I'm going to fish this out. I'm going to let it cool off first, but I'm going to test it and see if it needs any sugar. I actually like it the way it is without the sugar. I'm going to put this pot in the cold room and let it cool off until it's cold enough that I can bottle it up. And if I want it heated, I can heat it up in the microwave as I drink it. My apple cider's cooled off, and I'm going to bottle it up. And here's my apple cider. And this goes into the cold room until I'm ready to drink it.